This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if your USB device is simply not showing up on your computer or another device like your phone or even your TV. So I'm going to plug this in right now to my computer, and it probably will not show up. So we can just go to this PC. You can see I don't have it allocated for any reason, so it actually does show up, but I need to format it first. So what I want to do is just go on down to search and type in partitions, P-R-T-I-T, and go to create and format hard disk partitions right here, and then open up this program that comes installed on your Windows PC. So this is going to open up, and you can see it's just going to be this white box, and I can expand it, and you should be able to see your USB device you have plugged in here. So this is the easiest way to go ahead and do this, and then just right click on it. And you might be able to delete the volume, so I can delete the volume right here. Otherwise, go up to this X, select it, and then there should be an X somewhere on the top. Just delete it. And then we're going to have this unallocated space. And I want to right-click on this, and then go to New Simple Volume, and then go to Next. Then go to Next, sign a letter, whatever it may be. And then we can choose EXFAT or EXFAT. So if you're trying to use this with your Android phone, your Android TV, you want FAT. If you use NTFS, it won't show up. So I'm going to go FAT32, and then go to Next, and finish. Now we should be good to go, and we can go back over to File Explorer here, and we want to right-click on this, and go to Format. And then go to Format, and complete the process, and now it should show up as a storage space where we can start storing stuff in it. Here's D, there's nothing in there. Now we can bring over to our TV or our phone, and it should work. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.